the specific request that we need all of you to review our curriculum. We all agree that partially it is also because of lack of training and lack of practical training.
1,700 mining engineers have been recruited so far in Pakistan.
You never heard anything about mining, like, in the university on large scale.
یہ کانفرنس بہت اچھا ایڈیشن ہے پاکستان کی انویسٹمنٹ کے لیے اور فیوچر کے لیے. پاکستان میں جو منرلز اینڈ ریئر ارتھ کا انٹیپ پوٹینشیل ہے, آئی تھنک اٹس گوئنگ ٹو چینج دا اکانومی.
Being from Pakistan, it helps and holds a lot of connection for me and obviously the company.
I want to tell that I really appreciate the steps taken by the government.
We are delivering the mining equipments. We are custom clearing all the goods which is coming from all over the world.
Komatsu is the world-renowned manufacturer of ultra mining as well as construction machinery, and the mining potential in the country and how the bright future is awaiting us.
یہ اپنی نوعیت کا ایک واحد ایونٹ ہے جو کہ ریسٹ آف دا ورلڈ میں ہمیشہ ہوتا رہتا ہے, لیکن پاکستان میں پہلی مرتبہ اس کا انعقاد کیا گیا, جو کہ بہت خوش آئند عمل ہے.
Our experience here has been great. We've seen a lot of traction and a lot of potential in the mining sector here in Pakistan.
I really encourage and appreciate the back arm this initiative for gold mining investment in Balochistan.
بہت سارے MOU سائن ہوئے ہیں, بہت ساری ایگریمنٹس ہوئے ہیں. NRL نے ایک ڈسکوری کی جس میں مکمل ٹیم پاکستانی جیولوجسٹ اور پاکستانی جیو فزسسٹ کی تھی, تو یہ ایک بہت بڑا کریڈٹ ہے.
We are a junior exploration company from Canada. We're here at this conference. It's been a great conference.
It's been a really impressive event. Great to see the commitment and the interest in the mining industry.
It's been a really excellent couple of days here at the Pakistan Mineral Investment Forum for 2025. People from right across the industry, from right across Pakistan.
Big efforts in the country in development of the public-private partnership regime, the mining industry and the energy business.
Pakistan Investment Forum, it's been a fantastic.
It's really amazing. So we just call Pakistan to work hard.
I'm very impressed of the Pakistan Minerals Investment Forum so far.
We make some good project for Pakistani nation.
We are supplying the vibrating screens, the slurry pumps and cyclones.
We are so excited to contribute to the growth and prosperity of Pakistani's economy.
Enormous potential in the Pakistan mineral sector that is yet to be fully realized.
Came to see what's going on, and I am very pleased to know that Pakistan's mineral sector is now up and running, especially with the Recordic project in Balochistan.
मिनरल सेक्टर है जो कि बहुत सालों से एक चैलेंजिंग फेज से गुजरा था, उसको यहाँ पे मौका मिला, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिली हैं ताकि जो इस तरह की फील्ड से रिलेटेड लोग हैं वो आपस में कोलैबोरेट कर सकते हैं और इंटरनेशनली और नेशनली दोनों कोलैबोरेट कर सकें.